So, how do I expunge or seal a criminal record at the Kaufman County Justice Center?
We got to start with what's an expunction. We got to start with the basics. So expunctions like delete the records.
Yes.
They literally take the paper file and shred it, throw it in the shredder. It's gone. And they have to delete everything off their system. You can legally deny it happened. Your arrest never happened. So
Wow.
if you have like a job application, were you arrested?
No.
No. So how do you do that? Well, first you have to qualify. And
Right.
so the ways you qualify are you can get a not guilty verdict. That's the easiest one, you know. So go do that. Or they have to dismiss it for the right reasons.
Okay.
So a lot of times they'll dismiss a case like there's like a list of reasons on the dismissal. It'll say in the interest of justice, which just doesn't mean anything, or witness won't appear. And those aren't reasons you can like automatically win on. The judge could still like
Right.
object to it and the state can object to it. And there's waiting periods. Sometimes you have to wait for the statute of limitations to run. So misdemeanors like 2 years, felonies like 3 years to forever. You've got to file a petition for expunction. You have to list every entity that has your records, which is going to be the police who arrested you, the sheriff, because you made bail with the sheriff,
Right.
because the clerk has your record, the DA, because the DA has your record, DPS, because they got a copy of it too. They send it to the FBI. So you got to list all those entities on there to get notified, right? So you file it, and then they all get noticed. They can object. Now, your name's Olivia, and that's not too common, not too uncommon. But if your name's like John Walker or,
Right.
Robert Smith, there might be a guy in jail for murder on that with the same year as your birthday. So you got to prove you're not like the murderer version of
Right.
yourself. And it's actually not that hard. But if you have a common name, that does come up. And so in Kaufman, they get the expunctions, they look at them, and then they make you set it for a hearing. But we usually don't have the hearing. They usually agree to it like the week before. They'll look at it and agree to it, which is totally different than a non-disclosure. We're just talking expunctions. So,
I think we went into non-disclosure last episode,
all right.
I believe.
I mean, you can do it without a lawyer, I guess. Now
Mhm.
everybody's got a form for everything, but it's something where if you mess up and get it denied, you may not be able to file it again. So you really don't want to mess it up. You don't get a lot of do-overs on it.